Here is how to mint NFT on Rarible step by step. First, open your browser and go to rarible.com. Click sign in at the top and connect your wallet like MetaMask Wallet Connect or Coinbase Wallet. Once connected, click create at the top menu. Choose whether you want to mint a single one of one or multiple editions NFTs. Now upload your digital file. It can be an image, video, audio, or 3D model. Fill out your NFT details, name, description, royalties, and price. Choose your blockchain like Ethereum, Polygon, or Tezos depending on your budget and preferences. After that, click Create Item. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the minting transaction, confirm, and pay the gas fee. Once complete, your NFT will be live on Rarible and visible to buyers worldwide. That's how to mint NFTs on Rarible, fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.